A question that I get frequently is, Angela, how do you add that bolding and those italics to your content on LinkedIn? And the secret is that one of my friends created a tool that can do that, because we all know that formatting on LinkedIn is not the best. So here's the tool. You just type something into this box and it'll come out in bold or bold italics or in bold script. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to edit a post that I put up a while ago. So I'm just going to copy this top line here, and I'm going to take it over to this tool, pop it in, and here it is. It's in bold italics, which is my favorite. And I'll take it back here and copy it, and there it is. I'll be the first to admit, I'm just not feeling gritty lately. And if I hit save, then you'll actually see it bolded in that post. And the secret is you can actually do this in your profile as well. So it's a super useful little tip.